Hello, my name is Harry Bates and I'm studying Foundation Art and Design course at Kendal College. It's a really good building block to help you get into higher education such as unis, because a lot of universities like to see that you've got a foundation year under your belt. I chose Kendal College because, especially for foundation course as well, I chose it because the tutors, they have an industry level of teaching, so it really does get you ready for whatever you want to do in the future, which is the whole point of the foundation course, to get ready for the future and what you want to do. You sort of find yourself, but with the guidance of your tutors, so they have an idea of how to push you and how to make you excel. So at the start of the year, we had a couple of weeks where we sort of developed new skills. We were introduced into different mediums, and we got introduced into the print room, we got introduced to the textiles room and the 3D workshop, and there's many more like places where different specialisms within Kendal College as well. So our first main project we got to focus on was Struggle and Strive, and we got to pick out a project where it was to do with a moment. So I did about the mass meat industry and about how we can learn from different cultures to become more ethical. And then after that you do a segment where it's about like current times. So obviously at the moment it's about COVID. So I did about how the fashion industry adapted to COVID and how it can adapt to different problems such as homelessness. Usually every year we have people from Comics Art Festival that come in and do talks. We've had quite famous people who have, I think there was someone that came in once who wrote The Walking Dead comics came in one year, and we have lots of guest speakers, and we also do lots of trips as well. So we have like a sort of different areas for different specialisms, but it's like all in like places where you can reach. So we have a dark room for people who want to explore photography. We have a textiles room, we have a print room, and then we have our main foundation room. I mean, we've got this big gallery here as well, because we usually at the end of projects you exhibit all your work that you've done. So this is also a great facility to have, because I can't really name any other places which do have a gallery like this, especially that can be open to the public as well. At the moment I'm applying for universities, so I'm sort of I'm at that process at the moment, but that's hopefully what I'd like to do, is to go into higher education like uni. I'm currently developing myself conceptually still at this moment in time for my project at the moment, but I'm sort of developing new skill sets within fashion design as well, like how to do certain stitches and stuff like that. So it's all like gradual, but it's all focused within your specialism. One of the things I learned specifically was how to sketch my designs and how to illustrate them properly, and how I want to translate them into an actual final piece garment. That was a big thing that I learned this year, and how to refine my final designs. I'm still learning stuff about my specialism like every day.